Hello and welcome back. This is Robin Norgren with Bright Child Montessori, and I am going through some of the lessons that you find in my daily Montessori lesson plan. Any information about that can be found down below in the description of this video. And today, what I am demonstrating is the lesson entitled Curvilinear Design. And so, what you need for this lesson is a white piece of paper, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. And that's basically it. And then you would put them on a tray as you would in a traditional Montessori classroom in your art area. All right, so it gives you very detailed instructions in the lesson plan of how to do this. I'm going to read them to you and then I'm going to demonstrate. So curvilinear design, what you need is white paper, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. You're going to place the tip of the marker on the paper, and you're going to make it move in coils and curves all over the paper without stopping or picking it up. So in the prior lesson, we had taught the students that every time they open up a marker, they need to put the lid on the other side of the marker. And so you've put your marker on your paper, and then you're making coils and curves all around the paper without stopping or picking it up. And this is the language that you'll say, and this is also listed in the lesson plan. A line is a point moving in space. And you're going to exaggerate placing the point and then moving it along. And then you'll say, like a car on a curvy road. And then you stop. And then you invite the child to do the same. And then once they are finished, as you can see, this is a really beautiful creation that they've made on the paper. And then you invite the student to go ahead and color the shapes that they've made using their crayons or their markers. And so this is something, again, you'll find that either some students will make the curves of the curvy lines, and maybe they won't want to color it in. And then there'll be others who will really enjoy coloring this in and maybe even creating something out of it. And so one of the things you'll have to decide is whether or not you're going to limit the amount of papers per day that a student can create this curvilinear design. So one of the things that I would do is I would say that you can create on the front and the back of your paper. And then if you're still interested in this work, you are then invited to color it if you'd like. If they would ask to have another piece of paper, I would then say, you may try it again on a different day. So that's how I would handle it in the classroom. If you have any suggestions of how you would handle this in the classroom, this need for some students, for whatever reason, to use every single piece of paper that you have available in your art area, please comment below. But as you can see, this is almost like if you've ever seen a mandala. It's a very nice meditative coloring page that they've created all on their own. And what I would hope to see in the next days that this is on the shelf is that maybe they would be inspired to do different designs every day using this curved line. All right, if you have any questions about this or other lessons in my Montessori lesson plan, please leave a comment below. I do answer all comments having to do with the lessons. And thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure and like and subscribe to this channel if these are the type of lessons that you're interested in using in your Montessori classroom or in your homeschool environment.